We just don't talk about dental health enough. This is my cat Nugget, and he's toothless. He doesn't have any teeth. There's a dark story of how he came to be this way. We adopted Nugget when he was 6 years old. He came from a house, and I'm sorry to use the expression, but basically this lady was a hoarder and she had so many cats in the house. Unfortunately, they were neglected. No one took care of Nugget's teeth. It got so bad that the teeth were rotting. They had dissolved into his gums. They were falling out. All of the teeth were bad. When Nugget was finally at the hospital, the doctor did full mouth extraction because the infection was so far gone that there was nothing to save, nothing they could do except just extract all of his teeth. When we finally adopted Nugget, he was already a gummy boy. We never had him with teeth. And we have had amazing years with him. I hope he has forgotten what his previous life was like. Who knows what he was eating in that house, what led to this infection that created this much havoc in his mouth, so much pain for him. But the reason I'm sharing this story is because about 18 months ago, we discovered Nugget has cancer, osteosarcoma, and it is bone cancer. This is his CAT scan. You can see, it makes me emotional to talk about this, but you can see the cancer ate through his bone and it's just tissue there now. The cancer attacked his bone and ate through his nasal bone. Osteosarcoma is very rare in cats. It usually happens in dogs. On top of that, it usually is in the limbs. So they just usually amputate that so the cancer goes away. But for Nugget, it's in his nose. I don't think that's a coincidence. My theory is that the infection was so deep that it basically traveled up his nasal cavity and started attacking his bone. And it's just been there for 3 years until he couldn't hide the symptoms anymore. I have gone to several doctors and even asked our oncologist about this theory, and no one has really given us a definite answer that this is why his cancer happened. But I firmly believe that is why he suffered. I hope you learned something from our story, and I hope Nugget's suffering is not in vain. I share this so you take care of your cat's teeth and are not neglectful.